Hi Sam, how are you? What brings you here in a busy season?
Jessica, great, buying some stuff for family. Yes, this season has been busy due to severe heat waves. The air conditioning market is growing well thanks to the heat.
Yeah, I saw your great story on air conditioning with Lisa, which is going viral. I heard Indian air conditioning market will reach 50k crores by 2029.
Correct, the market is growing rapidly due to severe heat waves, rising disposable income, lifestyles improvement as well as easy finances for customers nowadays.
Sam, I am so sorry you must be tired of workload, but in view of summer season lot of electrical fires are happening. Any clue on this?
Due to heat, the demand for power rises, which merely meets the demand. The high temperatures means you will be increasing the usage of electrical appliances. This extra usage puts burden on electrical appliances, resulting in overheating and electrical fires.
Oh, I see.
Very few people know about the sanctioned load. If you see your electric bill, you can see your sanctioned load, and similarly the grid also has a sanctioned load. But during peak season, frequently surpassing the sanctioned load leads to overburdened circuits, or can cause short circuit, which leads to fires.
Oh really?
While visiting the premises of residents, it is many times found that internal wiring were not designed to handle the load capacity required for high temperatures or increased demand.
What are the best remedies to avoid any happening?
Good question. Actually, we have a tendency to address the issues when an incident takes place. But it is better to educate every family members to avoid any mishap.
Yeah, never thought about it, thinking electrician will do it for us or some stakeholders will advise us.
We should always practice standards for ourselves rather than finding a scapegoat.
I see.
Preventing is the best cure. To avoid overloading, we must always unplug appliances not in use, but we don't do it many times as effort is required. So you may practice this religiously. We must also keep electrical cords far away from water or heat. Water may cause rust or may result in shock while in use. Heat may damage the wire by melting it to catch fire. Overuse of multi-plug extension cords is not proper always. Practice limited outlets rather than putting an entire load on multi-plugs. We see people don't abandon damaged appliances, but keep abusive use, which till some mishap happens. Further, if the electric wire is damaged, change it with new ones. Better to educate family and remove the risk element before it's late.
Thanks Sam, you opened my eyes.
You must also use the appliances within their paired dose. Don't use an appliances for hours, though it was supposed to be used for 15 minutes only. Don't use air conditioning, geysers or water pumps beyond their permissible limits.
Oh thanks, you were so nice. So what do you do in big buildings?
1. We ensure proper audit of wires on intervals based on contract. 2. We don't allow non-professionals to install wiring or even equipments to be installed. 3. We ensure floor-wise wiring is connected to an earth terminal. 4. Do not overcharge electric vehicles. 5. Vehicles should not be parked near electrical meters. Many more than that I said. I can share you a draft contract so that you can go through and sign a contract with us.
What about air conditioning incidents?
Avoid using air conditioning all day unless you have a centralized air conditioning. Stabilizer can be helpful as nowadays people avoid them. Servicing is important. Health checkup today. Clean outdoor units regularly as lot of bird droppings. Use heavy curtains to avoid sunlight to room as it helps in reducing stress on machine.
I keep my air conditioning on auto mode. I also use fans for a good distribution of air. I use 5-star air conditioning. I also keep the areas near air conditioning very clean. I regularly keep a watch for any smell or extra noises.
You consumers know everything but still want us to brief. The time for me to go now is my air conditioning units to be installed today.
I appreciate your good inputs on the subject. Don't worry, your time is not wasted, my contract is for sure. The information was useful for me and helpful also.
Thanks Jessica, my job is to avoid any mishap to electrical issues. I will send you the contract as early as possible. Zillions of thanks for reassuring me.